Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix find people nearby missing on Telegram. So if in the older version of Telegram there's always a feature where you can find people that who are nearby you and you can just contact them, you can text them. But for now this feature has been completely turned off and you will not see anywhere, right? There not it anywhere, right? And why it is not, and is there any way to bring it back? Unfortunately there's not any way to bring it back because let me show you. Telegram to drop people nearby feature and improve moderation. So if you just read the complete post here, Telegram said that the nearby feature was an issue with bots and scammers, and soon it will be replaced by the businesses nearby. So soon you will find in your Telegram that instead of nearby there will be option of businesses nearby, right? And you can contact the businesses around you as well as they will be able to contact you if you're a business in Telegram, right? So this is the new information and the latest update, and once they roll out this new feature we will surely make a video on it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.